everyone, welcome to Just Invest Today. And today, oh my god, more bad news for Alibaba, for all these Chinese companies, man. Look at the title. China finds tech giant for failing to report 43 old deals. Are we just lucky they reported this on Saturday and not on like a Tuesday or Thursday while the market was open? Like, I feel like in my mind that has to be strategic to let everything cool down. Because do you imagine if this was reported on Monday or like Tuesday or Wednesday? I feel like Baba would be at $100. Do you think this is going to affect Baba? Like, do you think this is going to be crazy news when the market opens on Monday? China's market regulator on Saturday said it was fining companies including Alibaba, Baidu, JD.com for failing to declare 43 deals that date as far back as 2012 to authorities. So they fined them only $78,000 each is the maximum fine under anti-monopoly law. So that's the good thing. And it's so good that it was not only Alibaba. If it was only Alibaba again, oh my god, man, we're gonna see another $100 probably share price. I would probably have to sell everything and buy into Baba even more. If it gets to $100, can you imagine that? That's like a 10 PE, 5 PE stock that's growing revenue at like 20%, growing net income at a huge fast rate. And guys, this was reported November 19th, so only like 2 days ago. So man, this news really could just damage the market. Who knows what's gonna happen on Monday or Tuesday if people are actually gonna like just run out of the stock market even more in the Chinese economy. So let's prepare. But look at the regulatory risk. The regulatory risk is still real, and Wall Street Journal is still reporting stuff like this. USA should restrict investment in China due to security concerns, panel says. So people are still wondering, like, is like the whole Chinese USA like kind of dealing, is that gonna affect the stocks, and is USA gonna start banning Chinese companies? So that's what some people in Congress are literally fighting for right now. Whatever China does, it's for the military. It's to help the military get stronger, to get bigger, and it's just becoming too powerful. But see the opposite point of view. When US has Google or like Facebook or Microsoft working with the government, oh, it's nothing, right? It's easy. Like, they're not interfering with anything. But if a company from China works with the government, it's all bad. It's this, no, you can't do this. They're gonna invade the USA. They're gonna like, trade is not gonna go through. Do you see the double-edged sword that you're dealing with? It's like, if USA can do something, China can't do it. And if USA does it, they're gonna make sure China does it, and then you can't invest in their company. You can't invest in China. So we see people in US clamoring for this, like to stop all investments in China. Do you think that's the right thing to do? Do you think it's the bad thing to do? But I don't think it's gonna happen, because literally USA needs trade from freaking China. They exchange billions of dollars worth of goods. Like, can you imagine all those goods not trading between China and USA because they're fighting over, oh, the stock market? Like that, like China, USA, they have so much debt together, they have so much trading together. They need, like, USA, Biden is actually clamoring for freaking China to actually invest in their country, invest in their products. Like, that's one of the rules that Biden wants. He's like, you have to start investing more money and buying more of our goods. So that's why I'm kind of seeing the opposite point of view and saying this is not going to happen. And all the people that own shares in Alibaba and all the people that own shares in Tencent, all those endowments, all those like schools, all the people, personal funds, like they would all get crushed. So I don't think Biden and the USA is gonna want that, but still the regulatory risk for Alibaba is still going on. It's still talking about it. Man, US asked China to release oil reserves as part of the discussions on economic cooperation. So that's the good thing, man. Maybe they are cooperating more, and maybe this is the catalyst that we need. If Biden and Xi Jinping actually come together and form some kind of agreement, Alibaba, Tencent, JD.com, those stocks are gonna take off, man. They're gonna take off. And that's what I'm gonna see, and that's what I think is gonna happen because they have to come to an agreement at some point. It just can't go like this forever. Or if it does, then just USA and China just stop talking, they stop exchanging goods, they just fight over all that stuff, and we know the two biggest superpowers always need each other. You can't have the two biggest superpowers becoming extreme rivals. So this is actually huge news. I'm wondering if this tech fine on Alibaba is really gonna crush Baba this coming Monday or Tuesday. What do you think's gonna happen? Like, tell me what you think down below. You think this is gonna crush it? Do you think Alibaba's at risk because of this? Tell me down below, man. Please like and subscribe to this video. Get back to you in the next one. Peace!